Hello, longboarding mom. My husband brought home a surprise for me today. There's my cat. It's a Leatherman. I have been wanting one. Well, he's had one ever since we got together and stuff. And so with our pot of gold money, he picked one up for me today. It's got the nice little case, the snap. This one has a little release button, but I've always been borrowing his, and my son had one, and when my husband's not here I borrow my son's, and they get a little annoyed when I borrow it, so I said, like, I need one myself. So he went to the store by Mart and got this for me, and the gentleman was a little surprised that I wanted one. I don't know why. Do women not like Leatherman? I mean, it's got all kinds of cool little tools and stuff. It's got the saw, very sharp, and there's another one, and on the other side it's got, not for nails, ladies, but it could work. Nice little blade there. And on the inside it's got all these little tools. I like the other side. You always need tools. I can never find my little screwdrivers and stuff. So my Leatherman, it's going in my bug out bag, probably my purse actually, because sometimes I need a knife at work and I can never find one. So there you go. I got knives now.